Middleton Simpleton coming up.
Yeah. Your son kind of reminds me. It looks like my daughter's fiance.
Yeah.
Is he a junior, right?
Yes, yeah. I cursed him with his name.
Corn is so
He
good.
didn't like it when he was young.
Yeah.
Now he does.
What's that?
Already over here. I got about 10 fish already.
Like I already caught everything, so you know, maybe you just want to stay home because you ain't catching no more. What are you catching?
Stripers.
Striper.
Yeah. That's a good striper spot. I mean, they got everything in there, though. They got catfish in there. It's brackish water. It's the mix.
Yeah.
That's when I pull the sturgeon out of here. Potentially. I doubt it.
There's always that possibility.
It could.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The dinosaur fish.
Uh-huh.
You ever work with Mike Chandler?
Oh, yeah. He's a fisherman.
Big time.
He got a boat.
Oh yeah, he'll be like, oh yeah, I caught all these stripers. Yeah, he loves.
Sound like him.
Oh yeah, because I worked. He was my student. Yeah.
I'm calling these stripers.
Yeah, I got. Oh, he's loving more. Oh yeah, he is a good dude. Man.
Yeah, I love him.
Yeah, such a good guy.
He dropped some weight too.
He did, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Everybody dropping down.
Yeah, that's good. I mean, when he was on the UP. I mean, he just go to the gas station, pick up his energy drinks, pick up his food, and just leave, and just eating horrible, and he was smoking back then. So then when he worked with me, he started going to the gym with me.
Okay.
Just doing treadmill and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then I think he worked with Paul Manzaranis and started doing the intermittent fasting.
Yeah. Just put it together. Huh?
Yeah, I mean, that's what it takes. And even his kids, after he first started, they were like, oh my God, your stress level is like, compared to, working up right now. I'm trying 524, CTX 8311, East, Fort Singleton, Oakland.
Never fails with this guy.
Yeah, like this is the spot that I've been calling him and I've been able to get him. Drive 524, CTX 8311 East, Fort Singleton, Oakland. We're going to be on 1 at work. Track 524, Fort Singleton, over. Plenty of restaurants on the Delta too, and then even if we got to go into Sacramento, it's literally it takes me 20 minutes to get to work.
Alright.
So it's not super far.
What area is it called?
It's called Clarksburg.
Clarksburg.
Wineries everywhere. It's just all agricultural land. trying to look it up. Safe trip.
Right back at you, Kevin. You guys look good. Have a good weekend. Now. Hey, Lauren.
You all.
How you doing? Good trip, man. Good weekend.
It's probably missing you.
Oh, yeah. Got one dude that just got off the train that a weirdo. He was bad mama Steve. I'm like, Steve was a great dude, man. He said a few times.
There's a third left and
Currently working on Walnut Creek right now.
and wallpaper everywhere.
Oh. You know, wallpaper's coming back in style.
It
I don't
is,
mind,
yeah.
but not everywhere. You know,
No,
I mean,
yeah.
you have one room,
Yeah, it's,
like one family room with it around. That'd be cool.
I've seen people do it in the bathrooms. Just like one wall.
One wall.
Yeah, it was in the master, dining room, part of the kitchen.
Yeah. We use those no more.
Everything's deck screws or screws. And you try to use nails like that now, they bend all over and it's not made the same.
Not made the same.
Train look good. You guys a safe trip down? Thanks.
Yeah.
27. You guys got a couple people retiring this year.
Yeah, man. I can't wait.
Noel Gaetano,
Roger.
Roger, right?
Sure. Get on out of here.
Yeah. You're like,
You don't have to wait. Make way for this new blood.
hell yeah.
It ain't so new, but it is still new.
Hell yeah. Uh-huh.